Hello students, here I am back with my new topic from the fundamental units of life. The very first topic we'll cover is the type of organisms on the basis of the number of cells present in them. Then we'll look at the difference between those organisms. Then shape and size of the cells we'll look at. Uh, then we'll see the type of cell on the basis of their primitive or ancient form, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now first we'll come to types of organisms on the basis of the number of cell. On the basis of the number of cell, we have two type of organisms, that is unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism consist of paramecium, amoeba, bacteria, yeast, which are made up of only single cell. There all the functions of the body are done by the single cell of which they are made up of. Coming to the multicellular organism, as the name suggests, multicellular organisms means they are having many cells which help them to form tissue, tissue to organ, and then to a whole organ system. The very best and the common example is all the plants, human beings, and animals. Coming to the difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Now, unicellular organisms are made up of a single cell, while multicellular organisms are made up of more than one cell. As they are made up of single cell, we know that their body organization is very simple, and multicellular are having a complex body organization. Body organization means parts of the body, the division which we are having. Next, a single cell carries out all the necessary processes of life. That means respiration, digestion, ingestion, egestion, everything. And in multicellular organism, different function is performed by different group of cells. Unicellular organism does not have any division of labor, while multicellular are having division of labor, which help them to divide their work on the basis of the cellular activities. Examples we have already seen: bacteria, amoeba, paramecium. And multicellular, we humans, animals, plants, birds, insects are the few examples. Now coming to shape and size of the cell. Now we all know that some organisms are very small while some are very big. So on that basis we can say that cell shape varies from organism to organism. Now even size also vary, shape also vary. Shape can be either oval, spherical, rectangular, spendular, or totally irregular like nerve cells of living organisms like we humans. The size of the cell also varies depending upon the type of organism. Now we have the best example, like RBCs are microscopic while nerve cells are fairly large enough which can be seen through our even naked eyes also. These are the cells: red blood cells, ovum cell, that is female cell, nerve cell which is present in our whole body, helps in the conduction of the messages from one part to another part. Then we have columnar epithelial cell. Columnar epithelial cell is part of our intestine, small and large intestine which are present in our body, which is known as ate. Then smooth muscle cells, again these muscle cells are present in our body. Bone cells are even known as particular type of cells which are present inside our bone matrix, which is bone marrow part, and sperm cell which is present in male body. Coming to types of cells. Now cells are categorized into two types based on their primitive existence: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. You can have a look at the diagram that prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, both the cells are having plasma membrane or cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell but DNA is present and ribosomes are present. The difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell comes in the basis of formation of nucleus. That means prokaryotic cells have nucleoid region but not a well developed nucleus, while eukaryotic cells are having a well developed nucleus. The size of the prokaryotic cell is from 0.1 to 10 μm, and for eukaryotic cell it is 10 to 100 μm. Coming to the difference between these two cells. Now prokaryotic cells are the true cells and nucleus is absent. Eukaryotic cells are also true cells, but their nucleus is present. Prokaryotic cells are primitive and incomplete cells, that means formed very older time. Eukaryotic are advanced and complete cells. Prokaryotic are always, every time, they are unicellular organisms, while eukaryotic includes all the living organisms, that is both unicellular and multicellular. If we talk about the size of the cell, then prokaryotic cells are from 1 to 10 millimeter, and while the size of the eukaryotic cell is between 5 to 100 μm. Nucleus is absent, nucleus is present. It contains single cell chromosome, that means the hereditary material which is known as DNA is single form, and while in multicellular organism there are many chromosomes present. In prokaryote, nucleolus is absent, and eukaryote, nucleolus is present. Now, membrane-bounded cell organelles are absent. Membrane-bounded cell organelles means like mitochondria, plastids, Golgi bodies. These are absent in prokaryotic cells, while these are present in eukaryotic cells. Cell division takes place by fusion or budding, as it is a unicellular organism. Now, in this, mitotic and meiotic cell division. Mitotic and meiotic means division which requires two parent cells, and then that parent divide and then forms two daughter cells which again divide themselves. That type of division is known as meiotic cell division. Again, here is a comparison showing the diagram of both the cells. You can have a look at the diagram. If you are familiar with the diagram, then you can write the difference between these cells very easily. Now, this was our chapter, small portion which I have covered through my PPT. Our next topic will be what is a cell made up of and what is the structural organization of a cell. Till now we have seen that types of cells, their shape and everything. Now exactly we'll study about cell, its organization, how it is made. Like a single cell makes the whole body of an organism. Like we human beings are there, हमारे बॉडी के अंदर एक छोटा सा सेल अगर डैमेज होता है तो वो बाकी के सेल्स को डैमेज कर सकता है. नहीं, एक सेल बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो करता है तो सबको करता है. And that singular cell consists of so many parts. Can you believe it? And when you eat a proper diet, a proper nutritious diet, healthy diet, even drinking milk every day and all these things, then this cell grows very nicely and healthy, and then it gives glow to our skin, to our hairs, it gives strength to our body. Everything is visible in our body. So this was our chapter, children. I'll come with the next topic. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.